Hi, welcome. Let's experience how to create a free account. Visit the URL, appointusonline.com. You will land on the home page, where you can directly create a free account by clicking on Start Free. You can also go through the Price section and scroll down, if you want to first check the benefits under the free plan. Let's continue with the sign-up process for a free account. Enter your email, password, and country name. Click on Create an Account. The next step is to fill in the payment method details. No amount will be deducted if it's a free account. Fill in the details and click the Subscribe button. An OTP will be sent to your email for verification. You can click Resend if you haven't received the email. You can also check the email in your junk or spam folder. After getting 6-digit code, enter it on the platform and click Continue. Once your email is verified, you can log into your free account and enjoy the services for your business. Wish you all the best. Thank you.